Greetings from D-Square Tech Impex Pvt. Today, I shall demonstrate the workings and operations of the Sigma DSX 40 rebar spiraling machine. With this machine, you can make rebar, round bars, and spiral bars. Now I shall proceed to explain how to operate this machine. Firstly, we shall connect the machine to a 3-phase power outlet into the socket provided. Next, we shall turn on the main circuit breaker switch and then release the 2 emergency switches, one in the front and one in the back. After that, we will turn the machine on using the on switch. Now we shall check the different functions of the machine. This is forward and this is reverse. This feature is provided so that you may use the machine in both directions. The next is auto and manual. Under auto mode, the machine will continuously keep operating until we stop it. In manual mode, the machine will only operate as long as we have the foot pedal pressed. Now moving on to the rollers and operation of the machine. These are the 2 rib-edged rollers. This is the plain roller, and these are the guide rollers. The ribbed-edged rollers rotate. The adjustment of the plain roller helps determines the radius of the spiral or round bar we want to produce. Now I shall show you how to adjust the plain roller. With the provided spanner, we need to adjust the adjustable screw on the front of the machine in order to adjust the plain roller for the desired radius. After that, using the adjustable screw in place on the rear of the machine, we shall lock the plain roller into place. After the adjustment and locking of the plain roller, the desired radius has been set. Before we insert the rebar, we should learn about the guide rollers. Below the guide rollers are the adjustment bolts. By adjusting the bolts, we can change the pitch of the guide rollers, which is helpful in creating spiral rings. Now we shall produce a spiral rebar with this machine to demonstrate its capabilities and ease of use.